Okay, so what's up guys? So here we are with another crypto update video. So I hope you guys enjoyed my previous video where I talked about Bitcoin's price simply going up. So now there's been like a bit of a pullback, something like that. Looks like there's a bit of profit taking. Okay, in the latest chart, Bitcoin reached over $40,000 and then it came back down, guys. So now we're going to talk a little bit about exactly what's going on, some of the bullish indicators that are out there, and a couple of things that I think are pretty smart to do. So, Bitcoin recently, it just bounced off of support at around 36,200, 36,300, depending on where you're looking at the chart. And now, it looks like it's settling in around 37,000 or something like that. So we are clear of the support levels that basically we were seeing earlier at around 30,000. A lot of people think, oh, maybe it's possible that we're going to drop down below that. Maybe it's possible that, Bitcoin is going to go all the way back to 30,000. We're not exactly sure exactly what is going to happen, okay, guys? But the important thing is that the number one bullish reason why Bitcoin was simply going up is simply based on the Amazon news, okay? So that Amazon news was absolutely huge news. And that is definitely one of the reasons why I think Bitcoin is definitely, going so high. Number two, bullish reason, okay? It was also a kind of a lot of inflation numbers that were coming out. And if you guys haven't noticed, prices of everything has been really going up recently, okay? So that's rents, food, all types of things. So, Bitcoin is the ultimate inflation hedge. It's going to really send prices, for people that are looking for a hedge. Traditionally gold was a hedge, so now a lot of people are looking into Bitcoin. So that's the second reason. And the third reason is something that a lot of people aren't talking about is, guys, there's the potential for a second lockdown, okay? So I've been doing a lot of research on the Delta, C-19 thing, and apparently this is even more violent and it's spreading even worse than the previous one. So what happened to Bitcoin during the previous lockdown? That's when Bitcoin, bottomed down and then it really took off, okay? Because, when people are locked inside, they have a lot of free time on their hands. They're going to be doing more things like trading and stuff like that. They're not going to be spending money on, in brick and mortar businesses and stuff like that. They're going to be spending money on digital things. So that's, I think, another reason why Bitcoin got a lot of interest. And as you can see, once things started opening up, people ended up selling Bitcoin, spending money in other different places. So that's the third catalyst, I think, that can send crypto and just Bitcoin in general much higher. But like I said, guys, I was crunching some numbers earlier, and I was doing some potential price targets for Bitcoin in the future. And I've done some price targets as high as $50 million. Yes, I know it sounds ridiculous, right? $50 million per Bitcoin as early as 2030. So I think right now people are worried about 30,000, 37,000. If you hold on to your coins, if you can just think a little bit long term, I think, and hold on to your coins until the end of this decade, you're going to have a very, very, very nice early retirement, especially for a lot of you millennials out there, you guys in your 20s and 30s. You're going to be able to retire much earlier. Now, if you're over 50 and you're a baby boomer and things like that, you're probably less likely to hold crypto in general, because I was doing a lot of reading, and something like seniors just hold 3% in Bitcoin. Look, Bitcoin is something that you can definitely hold. If you're over 50 and you're still working, it can lead you to an early retirement, and you can pass it down to your kids and grandkids as well. This doesn't have to be something that you can necessarily enjoy or live off of. If you already have plenty of savings and stuff like that, you can simply pass it down and make the next generation's life much easier, guys. So, right now, it's really just a waiting game, okay? Bitcoin was built as sound, hard money to basically provide you with a better financial future without having to basically, trade your precious time away, which is finite, in exchange for depreciating money, and it's just a broken system. And I think where a lot of people are missing the point is that, we're not necessarily trying to change the world. We're just simply trying to harness our time, conserve time, and make sure that when we work and at the end of our working days, we have something to show for it. We're not just, scraping to get by. So guys, that's what I think. I'll let you guys know in the future videos of what I think. Right now, I'm still extremely bullish. I don't believe this bull run is over. I do think we're going to hit 100,000 or more by the end of this year. After that, we'll probably go into a bear market. There'll probably be a lot of profit taking and stuff like that. But I'll be sure to update you guys. I'm going to try to update every day because, crypto's, doing stuff every day, so I should probably make daily videos. And I'm also going to start covering a few other coins that I'm holding, some altcoins like Aave, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Polygon. I'm going to start making some videos on that, but right now I'm just going to keep this focused on Bitcoin because I do think Bitcoin is the best financial opportunity of crypto out of all the coins. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care. Also, don't forget to push the subscribe button as well and hit the thumbs up, and let me know what you're doing. Are you holding? Are you selling? Let me know what you're doing. So that's until next time, guys. Take care.